Let's crochet the nose of baby pig. Start 4 chain stitches. Pick up the pink yarn to make a slip knot firstly. Put the hook into the loop from right to left, from back to top. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger until a knot is formed. 1 chain stitch. 2 chain stitches. 3, 4. Now we will crochet 1 increase stitch in 3rd chain stitch hole. Put the hook into the 3rd chain stitch hole. 1 SC stitch in the same hole. 2 SC stitches. Put the hook into the 2nd chain stitch hole. 1, 2. 2 increase stitches finished. Put the hook into the 1st chain stitch hole to crochet a SC stitch. Now we need to make a slip stitch in 3rd chain stitch hole in foundation chain. We need to find the 3rd stitch of the foundation chain and crochet a slip stitch in it. Yarn over and then pull that yarn through everything on the hook. So you should have 1 loop left on the hook. The nose of baby pig finished off and leave a long tail for sewing.